Hello my dear students, in previous lecture we had already discussed about how to add any image to my particular HTML document with the use of SRC attribute. Now here my next attribute is border attribute. Okay, see here. So why we are going to use border attribute? So basically, by default, images do not have any border. But suppose if you want to create a border around an image, one attribute is used. That attribute is called border attribute. Now, how can define the border attribute here? Syntax is given to you. Image src is equal to chocolate.png. This chocolate.png means your image file name. Okay, alter is equal to this is a rainbow, means here description is given to you. Align is equal to right. Align is equal to right means what? This image alignment is of which size? Right size. And space, here you have to specify your border attribute. Okay, so in that border attribute you have to specify particular size. Here border is equal to 20 means what? The particular image border size is 20. Once again I'll repeat the border attribute. Okay, by default images do not have border, but suppose if you want to create a border in your particular image file, at that time one attribute is used. That attribute is which attribute? Border attribute. Now how to give border attribute? See here, image src is equal to chocolate.png. Alter means that is your description part. Okay, align is equal to right. I means this particular image alignment is which part? Which side? Sorry, which side? Right side. And border is equal to 20 means the border thickness, or you can say that border size is 20. Now next attribute is id attribute. Now what do you mean by id attribute? Id attribute means unique identifier. Whenever you want to give any unique identifier or any unique id to your particular image file, at that time which attribute is used? At that time id attribute is used. Now how we can define id attribute? See here, consider the syntax. Image src is equal to chocolate.png means your image file, and space id is equal to int double inverted comma chalk underscore image means what? This particular image file id is this. Okay, so whenever we want to give any specific unique identifier to a particular image file, at that time which attribute is used? id attribute is used. Now next is your adding space around an image. Okay, now whenever you want to add space around an image, which attribute is used? Space attribute is used. There are mainly two types of the space. First one, that is your v space, and second one, that is your h space. Now what do you mean by v space and h space? Okay, to add space over and under the image, here to add space over and under the image, which attribute is used? v space attribute is used. Okay, to add space over and under the image, v space attribute is used. And to add space left and right of the image, here to add space left and right of the image, which attribute is used? S space attribute is used. Okay, so here consider the syntax of the v space and s space. Image src is equal to rainbow.bnp. Okay, h space is equal to 30. Here you have to define a size, and v space is equal to 10. Here also you have to define a size. So this is about adding space around an image. Now consider this example HTML code. In that HTML code, head section is that. In that head section, title section about my favorite food. In body part, header is given with the use of h1 and slash h1. Okay, and in that, here one image is inserted. Image src is equal to chocolate.png. Alter is equal to here comes the sweet image, and h space is equal to 100 and v space is equal to 100. Okay, so what is the output of this particular image file? See, this is the output of the particular image file. Okay, now in that, see here, image file is inserted. Okay, chocolate.png, and in that space is given to you. This space, this space, this space, and this space. So to over and under, which attribute is used? V space attribute is used. And to left and right, which attribute is used? H space attribute is used. So this is about V space and H space. Once again I'll repeat. Okay, whenever you want to add space around your image, two attributes are there. One that is your v space and second one that is your s space. Now to add space over and under the image, which attribute is used? V space attribute is used. And similarly, to add space to the left and right of the image, which attribute is used? S space attribute is used. Now in this example, see here, image src chocolate.png, alter means this is your description, s space is equal to 100 and v space is equal to 200. So this is the output of the particular image file. So this is all about h space and v space attribute. Okay, now this is your output when no any images file is inserted. Okay, so you just go through it. Now next one, that is your low resolution image. Okay, so why we are using low resolution of image? So high resolution image takes lots of space and time for loading it on web page. Till the high resolution image is loaded, we may temporarily publish a low resolution image on the page. Okay, so for that, which attribute is used? Low src.